welcome to today's video. Today's video is another little mishmash of all different things. I love filming these videos just because I love making them a bit cozier and just so you guys can chill out while you watch it. How are you all? How is your week going? What's the best part of your week? The best part of my week so far, is something I'll talk to you a bit later about, but I'm making progress in some areas of my life. Okay, today's plans, we've got a couple of things going on. So it's currently 4th of August right now, and do you know what? Kind of done with summer. I know it is still summer, but content wise I'm done with summer. I need to start preparing for autumn. I want to get out lots of autumnal content. I did ask you over on Instagram what autumnal content you would love to see this year. I've already made my own ideas. I've made 3 pages full of autumnal content that I want to film, but I think it's a really good idea to also just ask you guys, because there might be something that you guys asked for that I haven't thought of but you would really like to see. So if there's any particular autumnal fall season type content you would like to see, let me know in the comments down below. So I'm going to various different shops today. I'm going to Poundland, B&M. I'm also going to go to HomeSense and just see what they've got really. It's just like a kind of a window shopping thing. Oh, and I also have a very, very exciting Christmas package I really want to open and test out on camera later today, as well as trying on camera something new from Aldi that I absolutely cannot believe they're selling. I think it's the coolest thing ever. Anyway, I've got a really busy day ahead, so I need to find my mask, find my keys, get my shoes on, head out the door, sit back, chill out, unwind, kick your shoes off. I hope you're okay and your day has been okay. If it hasn't, just use this time for a little mindfulness to take your thoughts away from everything else.
Yesterday there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane, and as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. And now
Okay, I'm home from my semi-successful shopping trip. It was semi-successful because HomeSense was very successful, and I also went to Hobbycraft. I'll show you what I got from Hobbycraft in a second. I'm not going to show you HomeSense because that will be a separate video, but trust me, it was very good. If you do want to see like a little what's in HomeSense right now, follow me on TikTok. Yes, I've got TikTok. It's just quite fun just to show you week by week what's in different stores that I visited. So I did a little HomeSense video which is on my TikTok, so follow me on there if you want to see that. I did get a couple of things from Poundland and B&M, but those were the shops that weren't very successful, if I'm being honest. There just wasn't much there, and it was all a bit tatty. What did I get? Biodegradable wipes. They were £2 per pack from Poundland. And also I did get some more Twin Peaks. Twin Peaks is such a delicious chocolate from Poundland. We are obsessed with it. It's similar to Toblerone, but in my opinion better, and it has no palm oil in. And I think that was it. B&M, I did get some cat food, but do you know what? That was it. I'm hoping they'll be a lot better in like a couple of weeks, or maybe 3-ish weeks, when they bring out their autumnal stuff. Just let me know quickly in the comments if you do want to see my autumnal HomeSense video. Would you like to see it within the next week or so? I'm happy to film it soonish and upload it soonish. I actually got this package that I bought on the weekend. It's a Christmas item. It's a Christmas package. How exciting. Well, don't jump around, enjoy then. I'm gonna unbox that package now, get it all out, test it, make sure it works fine, and show you. I'm so excited about it. But I might as well just do a really quick update, because the last time I vlogged, the TV unit wasn't this TV unit and the lampshades weren't in here, so
everything was different.
Yeah, everything was different. So let me do a really, really quick whiz around the living room and then we'll unbox the package. Da, 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 da. Look at our new TV unit. I know, it is wonderful. Ignore the jar of water down there. My cats love to drink out of a jar. Look how much nicer this TV unit is. Can you believe it? It looks so nice. So it was from a company on Etsy. I will link this exact one down below. It actually came from Spain, so it came quite a long way. But I think it's absolutely gorgeous. It really goes with the other wood in this living room. So yeah, in general, I think it looks really good. I'm so much happier with it. It just looks really nice next to green as well. These also do this, so it's really easy to just slide, swap and change them. It's really well made. He sent us this, we paid for this, but for no reason at all. He also sent us this really cute shelf that we've now got above our record player. We've just put a record there just for now, but I think we're going to get a really nice print and put the print above the shelf. But it's really nice, and it has these two like test tube flowers in, which look really sweet. And Lawrence actually picked those from the garden, two little wildflowers. It's the same wood, just ties everything in really nicely together. So it's from Balsam Hill, and it's a BH Fraser fir garland with LED lights. So it's a Christmas garland, and I have the image of it going along here. I think it will look really nice. If you've not heard, Balsam Hill is like a Christmas company that sells Christmas trees, like faux Christmas trees, faux garlands, wreaths, all of those types of things, and they sell that. And in July, one of you lovely lot called Lucy actually messaged me on Instagram, told me that Balsam Hill is having a sale on for July because the Christmas in July event was going on. And yeah, I bought something. So thank you so much, Lucy, because that was actually really helpful. I knew I needed garland for this year, but I always just leave it till it's a bit too late and then end up paying like overpriced for it. Like, it's just too expensive.
And never really getting what we want either.
And never getting what you want. I've just seen part of this garland and already I'm so...
Someone like you to stand by me always, and I dream of a man like you, warm and tender every single day. What if we would join our forces?
So it's a 6.5 foot Fraser fir garland, and it's got warm LED lights. I am a warm LED light kind of gal. I don't really like the white LED lights, they're just not cozy enough for me. It wasn't cheap. I think in the sale I might have paid £59, I believe, so it's not cheap just for a garland. But already I'm just looking at it, the quality is incredible. It also comes with a little box of replacement bulbs and fuses, so it gives you the replacement bulbs and fuses, which is really, really good. Can't be the only one who's excited right now. I think it looks fantastic, to be honest. Like, I really, really do. You just cannot beat that quality. One thing I normally do around Christmas is whenever I have a garland next to TV, I slot lots of different things inside that garland. So I'm going to put some nutcrackers and other Christmassy bits just to jazz it up a bit. But I love how like plain and simple it is. Anyway, I will be obviously doing lots of like DIY type Christmas videos around Christmas, so for now, that's all you're going to get. I'm starting to put together an arts and crafts box. Actually, I got this today from B&M. It was £3.99. Good size, basically, if you want like an arts and crafts box or something. So I got this today from B&M, and I just have lots of arts and crafts in there. But things I picked up in Hobbycraft. First of all, I picked up a mini glue gun. Look. How chic is this? I believe it was only £5, so I think that's pretty good. Plugs in, it comes with 2 glue sticks with it, and then I also bought a box of 50 glue sticks that fit into that particular glue gun, which is great. But these are just fantastic. I was watching quite a few videos this morning about making your own wreaths and stuff like that, so that everyone was using a glue gun. So do you know what? I need a glue gun. I purchased some of these because these are like those pipe things. What are they called? Oh, apparently they're called chenille stems. Chenille stems. I used to call them something like a pipe cleaner at school or something. But basically they're these fuzzy little pipes and you can bend them around. I also saw in Hobbycraft, now this is where I definitely need your help. So what do people do with these? Like, I always see them be sold. I see them quite often in Aldi, and they're basically quarters. Oh, I've just had the best idea I'm about to tell you in a minute. But they're basically called fabric quarters. They're quite big, like they're not small. And I saw some festive ones and I picked them up. I was wondering what you guys do with them. Like, do you just turn them into stuff? Like, what do you turn them into stuff? 18 inches by 22 inches approximately each. Cotton. Do you know what, I just had a thought? One of my neighbours, she's a seamstress. She made mine and Lawrence's face masks with these gorgeous fabrics she had. I definitely want a festive face mask for the festive season. I'm gonna drop her around some of these and just see if she can do anything with them, because she can make a face mask. But what else can I do? Like, can I make a tea towel? Like, look at that, that's just so nice. I've also got some old trick or treat headbands in here, so I'm thinking of taking off these and making them into something for when it's Halloween. I'm gonna go around my house and gather as many arts and crafts type bits and put them in this box. This just makes me feel good, like the small wins in life when you've got your arts and crafts organised. Okay, we're just making dinner. I'm not going to show you exactly what we're having for dinner because it's part of another video, but I will show you part of the dinner. And part of the dinner, we're having some garlic bread. Emily actually told me about this. This is Aldi's version of the Domino's garlic pizza bread. Oh my gosh, how good does this look? So I think it looks really similar to the Domino's garlic bread. We did actually try it the other day. We stupidly just dunked it in camembert, so we couldn't actually taste the garlic bread. So actually, I have no idea what it tastes like. It's fairly small. Anyway, we'll throw it in the oven now and let you know what it tastes like. We'll do a mini taste test in a sec. Let's give it a go. Nice and warm and gooey still. Yum. Kind of smells like Pizza Hut.
Yeah, it's got a nice flour on the base as well. It feels like it's proper takeaway.
Yeah, it does. Love that.
It's really good. The dough is delicious.
It's not like Domino's though. The Domino's is literally like a pizza. This is a bit fluffier. It kind of tastes like Pizza Hut pizza to me.
I might be completely off here, but like almost like a sourdough vibe with the bread. Like, I think it's got all like those big bubbles in it and stuff.
Yeah.
And it is good dipped in camembert, if you were wondering.
Yeah, if you're wondering. That is good. Very gluttonous.
Say something that will make my day, 'cause these memories of her won't go away. They're haunting me so I can't sleep. She was a pretty little liar who cut me deep, 'cause she left me here alone. Now my bed feels just like cobblestone. Oh, why did she go? Oh, was I supposed to know that she'd leave? Was I
Just sitting on the floor. It's easier to sit on the floor quickly than find my tripod. I'm not sure where that's gone, but it's the next day now. I just made my breakfast slash brunch type thing. It's quite late in the day. We went swimming again this morning. It's so good to be back swimming. Oh my gosh, I just feel already my whole mood is lifted. I'm feeling a bit fitter. I got myself really unhealthy over lockdown. I'm sure it's not just me, but I just feel really guilty about myself, and I'm just trying to like eat very well. You know, this is actually a bit of a luxury breakfast for me. Normally I've been having like green smoothie. I've got lots of cinnamon on my breakfast, so it's basically just nice rice cakes, unflavoured, and a banana sliced up with some peanut butter of your choice and lots of cinnamon. Cinnamon's a very good anti-inflammatory. I'm looking forward to that. I've got my massive cup of tea. I'm trying to like cut down on my caffeine just because I suffer really badly with acid reflux, and I know that caffeine really doesn't help that. If you know of any good decaf drinks, let me know. I really just want like an English breakfast tea that's decaf, that tastes good. So if you've got any recommendations, let me know. Just before I finish off the video, I also wanted to say, obviously I said at the beginning of the video, what's the best part of your week? So the best part of my week, what time is it? Oh, come on, Doctor Soon. Is I finally managed to get myself booked on to counselling. Now, I mentioned this a few weeks ago and I got a lot of feedback actually. Finally, after mentioning it a few weeks ago, I kind of procrastinated on it again and ignored it and put it to the back of my to-do list and all that. And then, yeah, the start of this week, I was like, do you know what? Just gonna do it. So I kept ringing round. It's quite difficult because no one is doing face-to-face now due to the coronavirus. So it took me a little while, but I've got my first session next week. I'm really nervous for it. I'm looking forward to just getting it done and just seeing what this is all about, and yeah. So I thought I'd mention it anyway, just in case there is anyone out there who is thinking of doing the same. And it's actually a lot harder than you think just to like get it in motion. Everyone I spoke to, when they found the right therapist or counsellor or someone, they said it's like the best investment they've ever made. So I'm looking forward to feeling like the real benefits of it. Tastes so good. You have to make this. I'm so hungry. Why does swimming make you so hungry? Wait, I hope you enjoyed this casual little vlog. Sunday's video is going to be my Asda meals. If you've seen the haul, you will know that's coming. I really hope you're having the best week ever. I hope you are doing great. I hope you're staying safe and healthy, and I hope you're stocking up on your vitamin D. And I will see you again very soon. Thank you so much for watching. And if you watch all the way to the end, then I love you so much. Bye.
Live, it's your life. Rocks are meant to